Semendano referendum deve mai poder Fratello Romano que a relação, a amizade entre Timor-Leste e Austrália e Neo de Embassy dan saya buka Twitter Amerika bersama ke Timur Leste lá di será companheira do desenvolvimento havendo kata kita halu bertemu bebe saya berbuat precisa atau halal bebe nunda raya mimida sira pronto aprenda e assim conta ele precisa também mai normal né lá também expressa para mal amizade vontade de ajuda e de não marcar a minha família
Well, it's been just an enormous honour to be able to meet with the Prime Minister today on this 24th anniversary of the Restoration of Independence.
Honen ondra botida berasur malu Premier Minister loro restauração independência.
And it's also great to be meeting with the other ministers who have joined us today. And I'm here with Luke Gosling, who is our Special Envoy for Defence, a member of our Parliament, but who was here 24 years ago in Dili on the very day.
Luke Gosling ni anisan nomeado especial para defesa linha deve maka yatinan do novo liba digamos yatili.
As we talked today, the Prime Minister said that this is really a moment for reflection, to think about all that has happened in the last 24 years in Timor-Leste.
Momento de reflexão minha será que acontece que será que Iona e 24 anos.
And from our perspective, what we see with Timor-Leste is a democratic country that is peaceful, that is strong, that has in place the rule of law, and is beginning its development.
Nessa minha perspectiva, a minha perspectiva é que paz, forte, nós e a Estado de Direito, nós mantém a estabilidade dos culturais.
And actually, these are enormous achievements when you compare this to other countries that have walked the same journey. And as we reflect, Australia has been walking hand in hand with Timor-Leste throughout that period. And there is an incredible affection in Australia for Timor-Leste, but also for Prime Minister Gusmão and President Ramaswamy.
E adesso riflette Filippale, Australia con Timor, la molto con lima Bamalu durante il periodo refere, mas ami e domin a fissão de uma bote de Timor, vamos primeiro-ministro ou presidente.
But we also spoke about the future and how our two countries can work more closely together in the development of Timor-Leste.
E allo scuole quando va servizio futuro unione siamo na sound ruobele servizio basic manuliutan by futuro Timor-Leste.
Earlier this year, Prime Minister Albanese visited and it was a really important moment where we elevated the bilateral relationship, but we looked to the future in terms of how we can cooperate.
E inizio stinendene a mio Primer-Ministro Albanese visita a Timor-Leste ne adesso un momento importante da lì, mi ha bucato delle continuità di relacionamento.
We can be the closest of energy partners.
Ami pensai para parceiro da levema basically para trabalhar
and we need to ensure that that happens.
Ami ka seguro que isso acontece.
And we can do more with our defence relationship and today Minister Pedro and I have agreed to sign an agreement to further have defence cooperation.
E tupela halulitan ia relacionamento de Tanzania poin concordam no Ministro Pedro a tupele sina por defesa nia na continua tem cooperação.
And we look on with admiration at Timor-Leste becoming a member of ASEAN, and we are very keen to support Timor-Leste in all that it does with ASEAN.
Ami hareu admira Timor-Leste nia Timor-Leste tama ada nia de Zambia ASEAN, namun kami apoio na fatin Timor-Leste nia de Zambia Timor-Leste no serviço.
So Prime Minister, thank you for having us on this very special day, and I look forward to coming back to Timor-Leste again and again, and we look forward to having you in Australia later in the year.
So, Timor-Leste obrigado muito especial pela mamãe Timor-Leste não mina que sou para o testar. Vamos falar.
Reaksi mulai waktu tinggal di Indonesia.